As you know, there was a recent diesel excise duty hike from rupees 3 to 13, and before that there was an increase of custom duty also. So in totality, there is a increase of 16 rupees in diesel actually, as far as the different duties are concerned. But the retail selling price is not increased. So definitely it is going to impact not only Lanka Indian Oil CPC also, but we have already requested Honorable Finance Minister, and we have requested our Honorable Petroleum Minister also. And let us see how it goes. It is as simple as that. Suppose whatever the price is there in the international market, particularly for the crude oil, gasoline, and our country is dependent on the import of the products. So it is always important to have a pricing mechanism in growing economy. So we are also requesting government to implement the pricing mechanism, and it is expected that in time to come, the way the government has helped CPC and LIOC Lanka Indian Oil, similarly we are expecting that they are going to help us in this period also. I have already written letters to Honorable Finance Minister and Petroleum Minister, and it is expected that they are going to come to our rescue. And we don't want any windfall profit actually. We just want to run our business, and there has to be some marketing margin, because if we get something, then only we are going to invest in developmental work. We are going to develop additional petrol sheds, we are going to develop our installation. So based on that, small margin is required, and if it is given, it will be good for us, and it will be good for the consumers also. There are only 2 players or 3 players who are having the plants here actually. Suppose if you liberalize the lubricating market, we welcome that, because competition is always good and it is always beneficial to the end customer. There will be competition, and it will be good for the end consumer. So in lubricating oil sector, we only say that because the people who have invested in the plant, they should be given some relief, rather than the people who don't have any plant, they have not invested here, and they will come here and start marketing the product actually. That's only our request. As far as Lanka IOC is concerned, we are ready to have any competition, but it should be a level playing field actually. No, decision is good, but only my request to the government would be that the people who are having plants, they have invested here, they should, the duty on the imported product should be little bit, there should be some disparity among. As of now, it is same. As of now, why the profit was there? It was all because of the crude oil prices were at the minimum level in the month of January and February. So there are some inventory gains also, and it happens in the oil trade. It is a fluctuated market. So you will agree that that was the maximum profit came during that first quarter of the current financial year. It is expected that it is not going to be of that level, because that's why we are requesting the Sri Lankan government. But we are optimizing our operation, and numbers can't be forecasted. But yes, definitely it is going to be a tough time for us, and the way we handled it earlier, we are going to handle it this time also, and we expect that the government is going to do something on the duty part also.